Did you know that the Camino Santiago stretches approximately 800 kilometers? That's almost 20 marathons, plus a lot more blisters. But step by step, you'll reach Santiago de Compostela, a UNESCO World Heritage Site whose stones have witnessed centuries of history. And today, the city is glowing brighter than ever. Santiago has upgraded more than 30,000 streetlights with cutting-edge technology, reducing energy from 250 watts to under 50. And in rural areas, another 10,000 lights will be monitored with 5G technology. Now, the city's lighting can be controlled in real time, 24/7, track energy consumption, switch lamps on and off instantly, and delivering faster responses. Therefore, leaving more time to enjoy tapas, what's not to love. These new lights are tailored to every part of the city to make it safer and comfortable for everyone. It's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic content.